Good morning, and how are we doing? I thought I'd start this video a little bit different than normal and just try and add a little bit of pizzazz. I am currently on my way into the garage. Hopefully it'll be nice and quiet, be nice and calm, because I've got a cold and a headache. Maybe John's bought us like a nice sofa. The Daddy's got a coffee machine, and we've got like a nice big TV. We can just sit there and chill out all day. A little nap on the sofa watching the telly. That'd be lovely.
Yeah, boy.
And I know that's not going to happen. John's on a recovery. He's off up to Reading to go pick a van up. And I do know that I've got that engine swap to finish off. And there is a van coming from, it's like 2-3 hours away for a set of ball joints and a few bits. And that will be here nice and early. That should keep me a little bit busy for a bit. Anyway, let's stop rambling and let's get this drive done. And there we go, back where dreams are made. So if you are following the doghouse on Facebook, you would have seen that Di is now running the Zulu lights back on his blue van, the VR6. Doesn't that look better? And there's my van, having a little rest. Years. We'll have a chat about that later. I just thought should really just do a quick what's happening around the workshop before everyone turns up and I forget to. Motorhome, this is what you seen me doing last time. I think last time you seen I was putting the engine in, cam belt was all on. Well, while I've been off, Mr. Yanni's put fuel lines on, wiring loom. I'm guessing it's probably not massively far away from actually being started. Drive shafts needs to go back in. Front panel, brand new radiator, which is actually there. Mr. Namo, he was doing Josh's van. This came in, it had a couple of patches that needed patch up there, and a patch down there. And then we did notice that there was all round here on the inside, it was starting to be quite rusty. It's always good coming out on a Monday after you've not been here for a few days, because you're kind of just looking around going, ah. Alright, let's get coffees made and let's get this morning started. And there we go. So, had a little bit of a move about. The van that I'm going to be working on is there. Mr. Namo's there.
I gotta slow down on this, Jim.
Oh, cool. Just a nice set of ball joints on this. I'll have a quick look at the turbo because it's not doing turbo things. And how are we, sir?
I gotta slow down.
Why do I bother? Right, let's get this thing a bit more set up. Go get my tools and start ripping this thing apart. So, see you when this thing's got no wheel. Well, I might as well try and show you. Try and keep this as steady as I can. A little bit of play that. That bottom, you can see that bottom ball joints. That one's a bit, yeah, bit overdue. So I might put you on a little time lapse because I need to try and crack this out because the customer is waiting. Put you on a time lapse somewhere. Right, wish me luck. Well, there we go. There's that done. As you've seen, got that lot apart. So I do need to just give this lot a clean, press some new ones in. Still need to obviously hammer this one out. So I did notice when I was taking it all apart, the drive shaft is a little bit broken. So that also needs fixing. That didn't go too bad at all. Let's get this lot built back up again. Well, I may have neglected finishing that yesterday, but as you can see, the van I was doing is gone dead. And then I made a little start on that one over there. But let's have a little chat with Yanni. How is Mr. Yanni?
Not bad, stuff.
How was your trip yesterday?
Nice little village, nice little place. Drove there, put the van on.
Johnny Trucker. And then he's been working on the third motorhome that's in the garage. But this one is a petroleum. What did you do on the petroleum?
What I did do was a service. Plugs, leads, caps, oil filter, split charger, which I'm just finishing. Go up there. that is the old split charger. Was combined of tape and some puny little cables. But that was his ground for his battery. And that was his charge for his battery. Which it is a bit of cable, but that's what we've got now.
That's also a bit of cable.
Yeah, obviously we put new ground along there, but so let's grab this up here now. And the fools. That one up there. Nice. Nice and neat. I am waiting for a temperature sensor because the temperature doesn't go up. Need that. Actually had a full stainless exhaust.
Successful then?
Yeah, screw R now on musical motorhomes.
Yeah, literally. Because we've obviously got Yanni's, this one, and the 2.4 engine swap. I'll leave you to finish this. I'm going to go crack on with the Motorhome number 3. You can see I got the new radiator put on. I'm going to get this radiator put on and all this lot buttoned up a bit better. See you in a mo. Well, there we go. So we've had a little bit of a move about, as you can see. Mr. Namo's got a new one over there as well. And there is Mr. Namo. Oh, stay. Yeah. I am literally doing ball joints as we speak, but might as well show Mr. Namo quick. Mr. Namo is doing this van.
Yes.
Lots of electrics and weld a few holes in the roof and also make a few more.
Yeah.
Because the roof rack that was on my van, but is not on my van because I've got a pop top going up there. Right, back again. So, got this thing all up in the air. Got this thing all full of coolant. Now I'm just going to leave it to run up to temperature a little bit. Now it's actually got all the fluids in it and whatnot. Ta-da! She's alive. I'm going to leave this thing to run up just a little bit. Probably smoke the garage out. She actually sounds quite nice. Seen had no windscreen on it and whatnot. Well, windscreen's back in and the snorkel and everything else. John's just doing a little bit of electrical and whatnot. This one will be done and this one. Happy days. Right, leave this to run up to temp. Well, I know I was doing a time lapse and then the camera said that it ran out of space or something or other, so yeah, I've just been freeing up some space. The motorhome which you've seen me working on, well, this is now officially done. We've just been out on a test drive in it and it drives really nicely, to be fair, really nice. She is now done did it. And another 2.4 motorhome. This one is a Merlin. Been a successful week. Wow, say week, it's Wednesday, so successful couple of days. You happy, Mr. Yanni?
I'm always happy. I got my can of cherry coke. Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Cool. Right, well, we're going to get locked up and start getting ourselves ready, but hopefully you enjoyed. If you have, please give us a great big thumbs up, it massively helps grow the channel. But from us, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting out a Vardamas, and as always, take it easy.